Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new Apple ID account in 2025. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any browser you prefer, then go to account.apple.com. This is Apple's official website for creating and managing Apple IDs. At the top right corner of the page, click the drop-down arrow and select Create your Apple ID. You'll now see the sign-up form. Enter your first name, last name, country or region, date of birth, and an email address. This email can be Gmail, iCloud, or any personal or professional email, but it must be different from any Apple ID you've used before. Next, create a strong password, confirm it, and complete the rest of the form. Enter your phone number, then verify it with either a text message or phone call. After that, complete the CAPTCHA by typing the characters shown. Once you verify your details, your new Apple ID will be created. Now, open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap your Apple account at the top, then scroll down and select Sign Out to remove the old Apple ID. Enter the password for your current account to confirm. Once signed out, tap Sign In to your iPhone and log in using the new Apple ID you just created. And that's it. You've successfully created a new Apple ID in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.